Hey guys, Dr. Brown here, and we're trying a new sound system. I guess you can see the wireless mic. So hopefully all is good and you can hear me okay. All right, we have an integral of the natural log of the square root of x divided by x. We're integrating on x. So hey, let's get after it. All right, we've got tools. These are our 8 tools if you follow the channel: U sub, trig sub, integration by parts, partial fractions, power reduction, long division, completing the square, and a method of quadratics. Okay, so in this case, if this were just x, then the derivative of natural log x is 1 over x dx. So I would have if u were natural log of x, I would have a du as 1 over x dx. So let's go ahead and just try this and let u equal natural log of square root x. And that's what? Natural log of x to the 1/2. Okay, du then equals the derivative of this outside function, you know, the chain rule. So we've got an outside function and an inside function. But in this case, the integral of the derivative of x to the 1/2 over x to the 1/2, that integral is what a natural log is. So that's u. So now I'm trying to take du, I'm trying to take the derivative of that with respect to x. Okay, and what happens is that integral sign goes away and I'm left with the derivative of the function over the function. So what's the derivative of x squared? That's 1/2 x to the minus 1/2, and that's over x to the 1/2. Okay, so you can immediately see this is 1 over 2. Sorry for the crack in my board. I've got the x square root of x in the square root of x, which is this guy. I'm going to bring this one down to the denominator. It's a square root of x. Well, square root of x times square root of x. Oh, and that's dx, by the way, because I took the derivative of that with respect to x. So I have 1 over 2x dx. That equals du. Okay. Well, if I'm trying to solve for du, because I'm trying to take all of this to the u world, if you will, so 2x dx equals du. So now let's plug in our values here. We had natural log of square root of x, we said was u. We have x, and then dx is 2x du. That's a du, by the way. Du. So the x's cancel. I'm left with 2, the integral of u du. So that's u to the first power, right? So now we would increase that by 1 and divide by that. So I have 2 times 1/2 u squared. 2's cancel. I'm left with u to the second power. That is a natural log of square root x squared plus c. That, my friend, would be the integral of the natural log of square root x over x. Why are we doing this? Together, we're trying to build a better tomorrow and do that through math. Keep studying. That's all for this time. Thanks.